Hello everyone, welcome back to Supremo classes. I hope you are safe and healthy, and in this video I am discussing 100 important MCQs on law of torts, and this video is very useful for your examination. So watch this video till end, and without wasting your time, let's begin the video. With reference to the law of tort, respond to the following. In English law, tort is defined as a wrong. In Roman law, tort is defined as deceit. In Indian law, tort is defined as a civil wrong. All are the correct options है ये. The major reason for the lack of tort litigation in India is lack of consciousness about the one's right and the spirit of toleration. तो हमारे इंडिया में जागरूक नहीं हैं सिटीजन्स अपने राइट के बारे में, लीगल राइट के बारे में. दैट इज द मेजर रीजन फॉर लैक ऑफ tort litigation in India. The main supporter of the theory that it is a law of tort and not law of tort is Winfield, and the propounder of pigeonhole theory, law of tort and not law of tort is Salmon. तो ये डिफरेंस आपको याद रहे इसलिए मैंने ये एक साथ लिए है. सपोर्टर जो है वेनफील्ड है पिजन होल थेरी का, और जो प्रोपाउंडर है वो सालमंड है, ये याद रखना है. The general remedy in law of tort is action for unliquidated damages. Right to claim damages in tort would arise only if infringement of legal right and legal damage. हम क्लेम कब कर सकते हैं राइट के लिए? अगर वो इन्फ्रिजमेंट ऑफ अ लीगल राइट है और लीगल डैमेज है. Which of the following are essential of a tort? There must be a wrongful act or omission on the part of a person. That wrongful act or omission must result in legal damage to another. The wrongful act or omission must be result of nature as to give rise to legal remedy. All the above options are correct है, तो ये following are the essentials of tort है. Act of God is valid defense to the rule of strict liability. This signifies an act of supernatural power. Act of God implies laws arising out of supernatural powers. In Mary Wheeler versus Nixon, court decided that in this case decide joint tortfeasor have no obligation to share the compensation. The rule of absolute liability implies strict liability is stricter than the strict liability. Rule of absolute liability. स्टूडेंट्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में जितने भी मेरे इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेलिस्ट है वो मैंने आपको दी है. इसमें MCQ सीरीज़ की लिंक है. कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए बनाई है मैंने स्पेशली MCQ सीरीज. जुडिशियल प्रिपरेशन सीरीज़ है, क्विक रिवीजन सीरीज़ है, लैंडमार्क केस लॉ सीरीज़ है. बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियोज़ है आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए. प्लीज़ आप वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं. सो प्लीज़ स्टूडेंट लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. अगर आप सब नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को. अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो जब भी मेरा नया वीडियो अपलोड होगा उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपको पहले मिल जाएगी. और आपका सपोर्ट ही है जो मैं वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ, जो बढ़ रहा है मेरा चैनल आपकी वजह से ही. फॉर constitute case of strict liability, the following are necessary. Some dangerous thing must have been brought by a person on his land. करेक्ट है ये. द थिंग ब्रॉड बाय पर्सन ऑन हिज लैंड मस्ट एस्केप, ओ एस्केप होनी चाहिए. इट मस्ट बी अननेचुरल यूज ऑफ लैंड, तो मस्ट है कि उस लैंड का अननेचुरल यूज हो रहा है. ऑल द अबव ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट है ये. Which of the following is an example of joint tortfeasor, partner, principal and agent, master and servant? All the above are the examples of joint tortfeasor. Negligence is a main faulty mental condition which is penalized by award of damages. Who said this? Austin ने कहा है ये. The duty of the manufacturer to take care of his consumer is well explained in case. तो ड्यूटी जो है मैन्युफैक्चरर की टेक केयर लेने की फॉर ऑफ हिज कंज्यूमर, तो ये एक्सप्लेन किया गया है डोनोग्यू वर्सेस स्टीवनसन. are words which appear innocent but have a latent defamatory meaning. तो इनेंदो, अगर ताना मारना कह सकते हैं हम उसको, ताना मारने का समय हमको लगता है कि उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं, लेकिन हम उसका जब सेकेंडरी मीनिंग निकालते हैं तो उसमें कुछ गलत निकलता है. आर वर्ड्स विच appear innocent but have a latent defamatory meaning. In MC Mehta versus Union of India, the Supreme Court was dealing with claims arising from the leakage of oleum gas. Publication of a defamatory statement means communication by the defendant of the defamatory statement to person other than plaintiff. Other than plaintiff ये याद रखना है. Communication by the defendant of the defamatory statement to person other than the plaintiff. In the tort of conspiracy, the purpose combination must be to cause damage to the victim. In the tort of conspiracy, the purpose of combination must be cause damage to victim. Who among the following has defined tort as an infringement of a right in rem of a private individual giving a right of compensation at the suit of the injured party? A फ्रेजर ने कहा है. Which of the following are the elements of the tort? Intentional infliction of emotional distress. Which of the following are the element of tort of intentional infliction of emotional distress? ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये महाराष्ट्र स्टेट एग्जाम में 2019 में आया है. ये मेरा जब स्टेट एग्ज़ाम पास हुई और मैं से नेट एग्ज़ाम जो है 2020 में एग्ज़ाम, मेरा नेट 2020 में निकला है और सेट जो है 2019 में निकला है. तो ये मेरे जब एग्ज़ाम दिया था उसमें आया था ये सेट का एग्ज़ाम का. द डिफेंडेंट इंटेंडेड द कंडक्ट दैट कॉज्ड द प्लेंटिफ इज इन distress. The defendant conduct was outrageous or intolerable. In plaintiff's emotional distress was severe. आपको कौन सी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम पास होना है तो आपको बहुत क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करने पड़ेंगे. अगर क्वेश्चन पेपर आप जितने सॉल्व करेंगे आपको क्वेश्चन किस टाइप में पूछते हैं ये समझ में आएगा. The case of Rylands versus Fletcher deals with non-natural use of land. Bolam test of standard of care, both subjective and objective, and applies in relation to प्रोफेशनल डिफेंडेंट्स. ये याद रखना है. ये भी 2019 में महाराष्ट्र स्टेट एग्जाम में पूछा गया था. बोथ सब्जेक्टिव एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड अप्लाइज इन रिलेशन टू प्रोफेशनल डिफेंडेंट्स. The test of directness for considering the and determining the remoteness of damages. Remoteness of damages has been determined in which of case following case? Repolymis and Furnace, Witty and Cooperative Limited. Test of directness, important case law है. Remoteness of damages. Salus Populi Supreme Lex means the welfare of people is supreme. Q facit per alium facit per se. He who does an act through another is deemed in law to do it himself. Vicarious liability में ये मैक्सिम आती है. He who acts through another. Then with respect to he who does an act through another is deemed in law to do it himself. That means vicarious liability जो है ये प्रिंसिपल से उसमें आता है. किस पे? क्यू फैसिट पर एल्यूम फैसिट. ये मैक्सिम पूछे जाएगी आपको vicarious liability में. तो he who does an act through another is deemed in law to do it himself. With respect to the defamation under law of tort, go through the following statement. Defamatory statement made मस्ट बी मेड विथ इंटेंशन ऑफ हार्मिंग रेपुटेशन ऑफ पर्सन। तो ये स्टेटमेंट मैंने पूरे स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिए है, जो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है, डिफेमेटरी स्टेटमेंट मस्ट बी मेड विथ द इंटेंशन ऑफ, कौन से इंटेंशन से किया गया हो, रेपुटेशन ऑफ, हार्मिंग रेपुटेशन ऑफ अ पर्सन। Assault and nuisance are wrong under criminal law, are wrong under tort। तो assault and nuisance जो है ये wrong under criminal law में भी wrong है ये, and under law of tort में भी। When the master is held liable for the wrongful of his servant, the liability is called vicarious liability. The act of unlawful entering into another's property constitutes trespass. Tortious liability arises from breach of duty primarily fixed by law. This duty is towards person generally, and its breach is redressable by an action for unliquidated damages. This definition is given by Winfield। तो मैंने डेफिनेशन, नेचर और मीनिंग पे वीडियो बनाया है, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसकी लिंक है क्विक रिवीजन सीरीज में और लॉ ऑफ टॉर्ट प्लेलिस्ट में भी। In an action for the tort of negligence, what is required to be proved by the plaintiff is that there is a damage, duty situation arises, breach of duty owed to the plaintiff। All options are correct है। मास्टर इज लाइबल नॉट फॉर एक्ट्स ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर। मास्टर को लाइबल नहीं ठहराया जा सकता फॉर एक्ट्स ऑफ द इंडिपेंडेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर। मास्टर इज नॉट लाइबल फॉर द एक्ट्स ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर बिकॉज मास्टर टेल्स इंडिपेंडेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर what is to be done and not how it is to be done। Master is liable for excessive or erroneous use of authority by the servant, mistake by the servant। Two or more persons can be made joint tortfeasors if they have a common design। The peculiarity of tortious liability is that it is independent of contract। Negligence is conduct that fails to conform to the standard required by law for safeguarding others or oneself against unreasonable risk of injury। This view was expressed by John G. Fleming। In contributory negligence, only one party negligent and other has not taken due care। The word of nuisance is derived from the word nuire, which is French word। Nuisance means unlawful and unreasonable interference with the person's use or enjoyment of a land or of the some right over or an in connection with it। Winfield ने कहा है ये, an interference with a person's use of enjoyment of his own property, anything which annoys, hurts or that which is offensive। all the above are correct है। nuisance means, nuisance is of two kinds, the public or common nuisance and private nuisance। common nuisance को ही नहीं सॉरी पब्लिक न्यूसेंस को ही कॉमन न्यूसेंस कहते हैं एंड प्राइवेट न्यूसेंस। ये याद रखना है, अगर ऑप्शंस में पब्लिक और प्राइवेट है और कॉमन न्यूसेंस है तो वही ऑप्शन सही होगा। What is the main object of the law of tort? Compensating the claimant। Public nuisance is an unreasonable interference with a right common to general public। A mere detention without any wrong to the plaintiff's title is conversion। Negligence involves carelessness। Damnum sine injura means damage without injury। Injura sine damno means injury without damage। Strict liability case, Rylands versus Fletchers। Landmark case law on damnum sine injura means Gloucester Grammar School's case. Landmark case law on injura sine damno Ashby versus White. Ashby versus White case recognized the principle of ubi jus ibi remedium. It followed Winfield's theory. Which of the following is liable? A defamatory matter in writing or printing, talking, cinematography, science or picture. All of these are following is the libel. Law of tort developed through judicial decision. Compensation provided in the tort, unliquidated damages. Landmark case law on absolute liability, MC Mehta versus Union of India. Which article of the Constitution of India lays down that the Union of India and states can sue and be sued? Article 300. Which amongst the following is not an essential element of constitute tort? Breach of express provision law of an essential consequence है wrongful act by the defendant, legal damage to plaintiff. The wrongful act must be of such nature as to give rise to a legal remedy. आप एग्जाम को जाते वक्त ये वीडियो देख के जाइए, बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेगा आपको. टॉट इज द वर्ड ऑफ फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज. The rule of strict liability implies no fault liability, that is, the fault or negligence of the guilty party is immaterial. Which are valid defense in tort? Voluntary non-fit, injura, vis major, consent. All of these are valid defense in tort. Law of tort covers violation of legal right. Scienti non fit injura means no injury is done to the person who knowingly does an act. Samir got himself operated from the removal of his one kidney in Dr. Anand's hospital due to negligence of the surgeon who performed the operation. A piece of cotton was left in his abdomen. The same was removed by second surgery. वो remove किया गया second surgery से, for which Samir was not paid any amount. In the light of above facts, which one of the following statement is correct? तो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट ही लिया है यहाँ पे मैंने. सर्जन विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. द पीस ऑफ कॉटन इन द एब्डोमेन ऑफ समीर इज सफिशिएंट प्रूफ एंड इज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ रेसिस पर लोकेटर. हम जब प्रथम दर्शनी देख रहे हैं तो पीस ऑफ कॉटन उसमें रहा है, तो खुद ही सबूत है उसके रेस इस्पा लोकेटर जो इटसेल्फ बता रहे हैं कि एब्डोमेन में पीस ऑफ कॉटन रह गया है. तो सो सर्जन विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. Who state that law of torts consists of body of rules establishing special injuries? Salmon. Q facet सी रहेगा. क्यों फैसिड पर एल्यूम, फैसिड पर से मीन्स वाइकेरियस लाइबिलिटी. एक्स तुर्पी काउजा नॉन ओरिटर एक्शियो, an action does not arise from an immoral act. The maxim res ispa locutor is a rule of evidence है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, याद रखना है, ये रूल ऑफ एविडेंस है. Meaning of res ispa locutor, the thing speaks for itself. Slander means publication of defamatory statement in transit form. Section 499 of Indian Penal Code covers libel and slander both. Defamation is civil as well as criminal wrong. Public nuisance is their wrong that affects public at large. For constituting tort of nuisance, there should be unreasonable interference and should be with the use of enjoyment of land, damage. All the above options are correct. डी मिनिमिस नॉन क्यूरेट लेक्स मीन्स इस मैक्सिम का मीनिंग होता है लॉ डज नॉट टेक अकाउंट ऑफ एवरी ट्राइफलिंग मैटर. Nuisance as tort means an unlawful interference with personal use of enjoyment of land or some right over in connection with it. This definition was given by Wainfield. For wrongful confinement, restraint should be total. In a claim for malicious prosecution, the plaintiff can claim damage to reputation, damage to person, damage to property. All the above options are correct. Which is leading case on medical negligence? Kunal Saha versus AMRI. Indian Supreme Court formulated the rule of absolute liability in MC Mehta versus Union of India. Which of the following is an exception to the rule of strict liability? Plaintiff on default, act of God, consent of the plaintiff, act of third party, statutory authority. All the above options are correct. Which one of the defense to strict liability is based the maxim volunty non fit injura consent of the plaintiff? When one person is held liable for the wrongful act of others, it is called vicarious liability. The liability of master and servant under the concept of liability is joint and several. Q facit per allum, facit per se means act of an agent is the act of principal. Master is liable for the wrongful act of the servant if the act is done in the course of employment. Respondent superior means let the principal be liable. Persons are joint tortfeasors in cases of agency, vicarious liability, common action in fact for in law. ये wrong है. Persons are joint tortfeasors in cases of agency and vicarious liability. The nature of joint tortfeasors is joint and several. Duty to take care varies from place to place. Tortum means to twist. Tort is a civil wrong. The term tort is said to be originate from tortum. Who said when the plaintiff himself is wrongdoer, he is not disabled from recovering in tort unless some unlawful act or conduct on his part is connected with the harm suffered by him as a part of the same transaction. Sir Frederick Pollock. Like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.